The official Galaxy S9 launch will be on February 25th. The Galaxy S9 release date is closer than ever, as we were invited to Samsung's official launch event at MWC 2018 in Barcelona happening next month. February 25th is when we'll see the refined sequel to last year's Samsung Galaxy S8, and we already have a good idea of what this Android smartphone looks like. The Galaxy S9 camera could beat the top-of-the-line Google Pixel 2 camera if it includes a variable aperture or becomes the world's first camera that can capture mobile HDR video. The leaks don't stop there, of course. We're here to sift through all of the Samsung Galaxy S9 rumors and answer your questions. What's the new Samsung Galaxy S9 news? Ahead of the newly revealed Galaxy S9 launch date on February 25th, leaks point to a 3,000 mAh battery. Samsung also trademarked a new material that's strong and light, so there's a chance that will be used in the upcoming phone. What will the Samsung Galaxy S9 price be? We're expecting £639, $725, $1,200 based on current projections, as the Galaxy S9 is likely to come in around the same price as its predecessor. Given we're not expecting massive design changes, we'd add too high a price rise. What's the Samsung Galaxy S9 release date? The Galaxy S9 launch date is February 25th, according to Samsung's Unpacked 2018 invite. It's unclear when it will arrive to its first customers, but pre-orders are likely to start on March 1st and the phone may ship in mid-May.